Hello everyone, I am Suman Roy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is whenever Rahu is placed into a particular sign in your natal chart, then what kind of result you can expect from that. So we will discuss about that briefly, but before that, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from this channel. And if you found this video informative, then please hit the like button, comment below and share this video with all the astrology lovers. And if you want to take any type of personal consultation from me, then please go to the description section. You will get all the details from there. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's start. See, Rahu is the planet of obsession, illusion, addiction. It is a materialistic planet that denotes all kind of materialistic things in life. So if Rahu is placed in Aries sign, then it basically denotes that this person will be kind of aggressive, short-tempered, but intelligent and sharp-minded as well. They want to achieve success in their life and want to be in top position into their professional field. They will achieve success with their hard work and dedication. Police, army, engineering, medical, this type of fields will be suitable for this native. This is a good placement of Rahu at financial point of view or career point of view. But this will create some sorts of problem in married life or in any kind of love relationship because of your anger issues. So you have to take control on your anger. This type of people are quite impulsive as well. They will achieve all kinds of lands and property in their lifetime. If Rahu is placed in Taurus sign, then it is a good placement of Rahu. This type of people are mentally very stable and they want to be financially secured. They will fond of luxurious items and they will spend on luxurious things as well. This type of people are kind of foodie as well. But some kinds of problems in married life or in love relationship can occur because of your harsh speech. So you have to take care about that. This type of people are very romantic in nature and very creative as well. So they do well in any kind of creative work, or they can be involved in business related to beauty products or cosmetic products, etc. They can also flourish in any kind of finance related jobs. They are quite popular in their social circle as well. In this case, they can marry someone from different cultural background. Okay. If Rahu is placed in Gemini sign, then it basically indicates that this type of people are very much intelligent and sharp-minded. They are excellent communicator and debater as well. So any type of communication or media related field will be suitable for them. They can be in political field as well, or they can do well in business. This type of people can become a big entrepreneur because of their management skills. But if Rahu is badly placed here, then in this case it has also been seen that this type of people are impulsive communicator. Means they will not think twice before speaking something. They love to travel. They will be interested in computer or any kind of technical related work will be suitable for them. If Rahu is placed in Cancer sign, then this sign is not suitable for Rahu. So in this case, this native has to suffer from any kind of emotional instability, or there will be lack of mental peace. This native will not get that much happiness from their home or mother as well. But if this Rahu is kind of well placed, or especially moon is well placed in your chart, then this type of natives can get success from their early childhood. And they will be popular into their social circle and they can do any kind of social work as well. But if it is badly placed, then any kind of mental illness or sometimes depression can also be seen from this placement. This type of people are kind of healer and nourishment will be present into their personality. If Rahu is placed in Leo sign, then it basically indicates that this person will be quite knowledgeable and sharp-minded. They will be fond of creativity, art, media, entertainment, etc. They want to be a performer or want to lead a celebrity-like lifestyle. This type of people are quite reserved in nature, philosophical as well. If Rahu is badly placed here, then it basically indicates that ego of this native will increase with time. Here some kinds of misunderstanding with father can also be seen from this placement, or they will feel some kind of detachment from their family. They can get good amount of admiration or recognition from government if it is well placed Rahu. They will enjoy all kinds of admiration from people. This type of people are very much self-confident, energetic. They will love attention from other people. Okay, so if Rahu is placed in Virgo sign, then it basically indicates that this type of people are quite logical, analytical in nature. They will do any kind of work with all sorts of dedication and will do that work in a perfect way. They are quite perfectionist in nature. Good management skill will be present into their personality. They can be in a leadership position into their professional life. Communication skill will be also very good from this position. They will do good in any kinds of business as well. They can be a good writer. Some health issues can be arise into their lifetime, but in this case they will win over their enemies. They want to earn name, fame, recognition in their lifetime, so they are very much dedicated into their work. They are quite clean freak in nature as well, and they will maintain a healthy diet if Rahu is well placed. If Rahu is placed in Libra sign, then this type of people try to maintain balance into any kinds of relationships. But married life or any kinds of love relationship will suffer from this placement because of lack of trust, or this type of people will be quite dissatisfied in love relationship or married life as well. They are quite extrovert people and love to interact with other people. They can be in glamour industry or any kind of art, media or entertainment related field will be suitable for them. This type of people are quite creative in nature. They love to be in any kinds of social gathering, or they are popular in society. They are quite fond of luxurious items, or they will spend on luxurious items. They will enjoy luxurious lifestyle in life. If Rahu is in Scorpio sign, then it basically indicates that this type of people are quite mysterious and secretive in nature. They love to research about occult related things. So they can become a good researcher, astrologer, or they can do well in medical field also. They can be a good surgeon, or any kind of detective or spy related work will be suitable for them. Their willpower will be very strong and they will not forgive anyone very easily. So never try to mess with this type of people. They can face some kinds of health issues or accidents into their lifetime. This type of people are very intuitive in nature and they are very adventurous as well. If Rahu is in Sagittarius sign, then it basically indicates that this type of people are fond of higher learning or spiritual learning. But in this case, you have to check the placement of Jupiter in the natal chart. Because if Jupiter is well placed and Rahu is also well placed in this sign, then this type of people can become a very good spiritual teacher or spiritual guru. But if Jupiter is badly placed or Rahu is afflicted also, then they will act as a spiritual teacher, but they will not follow any kind of values or beliefs into their personal life. They will love to travel in foreign lands. Here some issues with father can also arise into the lifetime, or also father may suffer from some kinds of health issues in life. You will not feel that much attached with your relatives. This type of people are quite optimistic or positive thinker. They will take right decision in life if Jupiter is well placed in chart. If Rahu is placed in Capricorn sign, then this type of people are mentally stable and they are quite workaholic in nature. They are career oriented, goal oriented people. They will work hard to achieve success into their professional life. They will be popular into their social circle, or they will be known for their achievements. They will earn a good amount of reputation into society. They will achieve all kinds of worldly comforts and happiness in life. They will work in a structured way. If Rahu is placed in Aquarius sign, then it basically indicates that this type of native will earn a good amount of money with their hard work and dedication. They will achieve a good amount of wealth into their lifetime. They will enjoy all kinds of admiration from society. They will have a large network circle or friend circle into their life. They will work into any kinds of large organization, or good management skill will be present into this native. They will be in any kinds of leadership position into their professional life. But in this case, they will feel some kinds of detachment from their family members or their loved ones. They will spend on luxurious items. Some kinds of health issues can arise into their lifetime. They will reach to the top position, but slowly. Okay. If Rahu is placed in Pisces sign, then this sign is not that much favorable for Rahu. So this type of people are quite imaginative in nature and very intuitive as well. They can be a good spiritual guru, but you have to check the position of Jupiter in the natal chart. They are very creative person and can become a guru in any type of creative or artistic field. They are fond of traveling, especially in foreign lands, or they can be settled down in foreign as well. But see, this sign is not that much favorable, so in this case some kinds of sleeping disorder can also be seen from this placement. Or you will not achieve that much of recognition into your professional life. Instead of putting lots of hard work, you will feel kind of detached from your spouse in married life, or some sorts of problems in business partnership can also be seen from this placement. Okay, so I have covered all the 12 signs according to the placement of Rahu. So if you found this video quite informative, then please consider subscribe, because your one subscription can give me lots of motivation. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.